This morning, we're going to pour 5 cubic meters of concrete. Is it possible? Let's find out. Magnesium float, brand new. Ager, brand new. Steel float, brand new. This here, just because I had it, it's brand new. And for pulling the concrete, this is brand new, and this is almost brand new. I used it to level the stone in the last video. Go check it out. That's a spacer. This is 3.5, this is 2. The whole thing's 10 mil. Brings us out flush. So in the last video, what you see behind me was me getting the slab ready to pour. The plan to pour this 5 cubic meter of concrete slab is the lorry will be coming in here. I'm going to start him down at the back. He's going to move forward, pouring this corner first, a big blob, and we're going to put a strip up this here, probably about 2 meters wide, right here to the edge. And then I'm going to walk back ways, going that way, just because I feel it'll be more comfortable for me. Cleaning this edge up. It's going to have to wait a wee bit while I get it rubbed up, because once it's rubbed up, that's it, done. I'll not be going back over it. Then you reverse back down, pour the rest. Now this screed is 1.2 meters longer than I want it to be, but I'm not going to cut it for one use, because that there has multiple uses, that piece, if it's joined. The slab we're pouring today is going to be divided into 3 sheds. The back shed is the water shed. It's going to be the one that's going to be under the most pressure. It's going to be, the plan for it is to hold 5 totes, so that's 5 cubic meters of water, or 5 tons, or thereabouts. The top 2 is 3 cubes along the bottom, 2 on the top for filtering rainwater. Anyway, I've already put reinforcing bar around the edge of the shade. I want to keep this as strong as possible, and I have 3 lengths of rebar I'm going to put in the top just around here. So we'll fold 2 corners, and then we'll see where we're at then. Yeah, 2 corners. Could use the base, but let's try to challenge it. Use the warm-up exercise anyway. Cool down when this concrete off this concrete stuff. Now we can do no more to the concrete or else. That's a lie, sounds like it's slowing down. Oh no! He's in a weird lorry. The chute's isn't long enough for him to run parallel with the slab, so he's going to have to go in at angles. More work for him, but it'll buy me a bit of time. Snipping the rebar. Hoping that'll break the steam. go kind of lined up. I am really. Whatever way, whatever suits you. It's either or. If you want to reverse back, once we get it going, you can just keep them blocks in your mirror and just reverse back slowly. Give me 10 minutes to ride. Get it up here. Take you on by there. Give me 2 minutes. Guys, couldn't do much talking, as you seen there. I was flat out. But we're now under control of it. Whenever I was finishing off, I noticed it was starting to set up. So we just had to get onto that bowl float straight away. The guy that owns the bowl float, Wesley Hamilton Contracts, thank you very much. I was talking to him, he told me he would lend it to me instead of buying one, or hiring one, which was very nice of him. He landed, and whenever I get this cleaned, I'll show you what he actually did. He got out of the van, he said hello, and he lifted tools to give me a hand. I'll show you now. The van, he lifted the bowl float, and he started to do it for me, because he seen that I was busy. Just because he was driving by, he stopped in to see how I was getting on. Can't argue with that. I'm not anyway. Water to get the froth up. The cream. The more he raises the surface by under pressure. I bet behind me was a brushy bonus. We have another brushy bonus. I'm making a retort for making charcoal. This is the base on which it will be made. But it ended up being a bit bigger in hindsight, because we didn't need as much concrete as the ramp in front of the container, but it is what it is. We've got it now. This was already formed up whenever I was waiting on the concrete lorry coming. Whenever the concrete lorry did come, there was no time to zoom on it. That's that ready for the brush. Get ready as it's going to be anyway. Then we get back to the slab. Oh. Edging tool. We're going to give the outside edge. Well, we're going to give the outside edge, apart from this bit where we can't reach, a rounded corner, a smoother edge. I never did this before, so let's try it. Right guys, see what I'm at. I'm going to round this, do this edge here, then I'm going to get the bolt out again. I'll go over it, and then I'll go over this bit again, and then I'll brush it, and then we'll be done. And maybe go over it again after I brush it. Depends on the time. I'm going to wait for birthday party. It gets birthday party at 12 o'clock, so I've no idea how more time it is. Keep skipping until the wife rings. See you in a bit. Well, the man was right. Right at 12 o'clock, it's raining. I have actually got another 30 minutes. I was talking to the wife. So I'll stay with it and see what happens. It's too wet to put the cover on, so if it doesn't get too strong, maybe break up a bit.